We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special in Superior Blue. We have dual disc braking up at the front. We also have ABS front and rear. We have engine guards on the front, rider floorboards, a beautiful chrome engine, locking saddlebags with a lighter blue pinstripe on them. We have some quick disconnect hardware. And all of this is on a 103 cubic inch engine. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are only 1,731. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week.